Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is something very different. If you're using this Samsung Duos phone, I think most of you must have already come across this issue wherein it keeps making this annoying beep sound every now and then, probably once in every 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable that. And one more thing to note that is even if your phone is on silent, that thing is gonna still make sound. So the person who owned this phone actually had to switch off their phone every night, and then in the morning they had to use this. So they never really figured out how to switch off that annoying beep sound. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to switch off that sound. So let's wait for some time. I'll show you exactly how that annoying sounds like. There it goes. So if you're wondering what that sound is, it's basically because of your network operator flash services. So all you have to do is disable that service. I think I'm not sure about this fact yet. I think it's very common in these kind of low-end devices. So so you have to go to the menu and go to applications, and you have to go to the networks, I mean service operator services. If yours is Vodafone, you'll get Vodafone. If it's Airtel, you'll get Airtel. So in case of Vodafone, what happens is you have this something called as flash service. So click on that. Under the activation, you have to deactivate it. So if you're using any other operator like Airtel or Idea or whatever, what you have to do is go to that particular services tab, and there should be something like this, similar to Flash, either activate or deactivate alert sounds. Then you just need to deactivate it, and yeah, you will be good to go, and you will never hear that annoying beep sound again. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, do like it, share and subscribe. Thank you.